Hello, everybody. My name is Patrick. I am the founder of Dot Designs. It is a web development company that focuses on generating leads. I also build SaaS products through Dot Designs as well. And I'm making this video series to teach people how I do it, at least with the website. And yeah, I want to go ahead and just pretty much get started. And so this is just going to be an introduction video explaining really the first steps of things you need to consider before you start building. So we're going to go ahead and jump right in. First, you got to decide which AI platform you use. Okay, and whether you are a software developer, a web developer, or just really anybody, I definitely encourage you to use and utilize AI. It's just gonna speed up the process, and it's just gonna be so much quicker. Now, I have a software degree in, a bachelor's in software development. But even I use AI, like I leverage that. I leverage the shit out of it, um, and it just builds so much quicker. It's clean. I can debug it really easily with just through prompts like that. So really, the AI really has leveled the playing field for knowledge, okay? And you guys got to utilize that. Um, if you don't, okay, fine. This video is probably not for you, but I'm gonna go ahead and utilize it. So my two recommendations, well, at least my number one recommendation is what I'm using now, which is Claude Max. Okay, it's $100 subscription. It's really powerful, and you could really just build your website, build your dashboard, and then cancel the subscription. Um, but not without some caveats, okay? So we'll get into that later. But you got to pick your AI, all right? And then number two, you got to do your research, your documentation, everything. You want to have a really strong foundation before you build your website. And this helps in a lot of ways. It'll help Claude, it'll help you, and it will just kind of, you know, strain the path of what you need to accomplish with your website. Um, and it helps the build process. Say you want to build a dashboard with your website so you can manage it. Building the dashboard in tandem with the website, like it helps a lot. It's a lot quicker. Just imagine building the website first, right? And then you got to implement this dashboard. And so you got to change a lot of the code. Now you build it in tandem, or at least have your AI model understand that there's going to be a dashboard. It will leave room for that dashboard, for that code to really fit right in easily, okay? It doesn't have to change up anything, it just slides right in. So I encourage that. And I'll do a video on what you should look for in the documentation. But those are the two things you need to get started. All right. Now, if you guys have any more questions, anything you would like to know, go ahead and just comment below. And it's going to be a short video, guys, but those are the two things. Now, you don't have to use Claude. Okay, I heard Codex is pretty good. I actually might be testing that out. And you could maybe use another tool, okay, or AI platform, whatever. But essentially, I think it's going to be the same process. Okay, you just got to pick one, and you got to do your research on what you want out of your website. Um, Now I'm gonna probably do a deeper dive into the research side on a separate video, but I probably won't do too much of a deep dive on the platform side, or the AI side, just because I'm only using one right now, and really it's gonna be the same process. Um, so yeah, thank you guys for listening. And if you have any questions, just go ahead and drop it down below. And I'll try to work those questions into my videos, okay? Anyways, thank you guys for listening. Again, my name is Patrick. I'm from Dot Designs. I developed multiple websites already, and I even developed an app already that wanting to release very soon. And if you guys are curious about it, I can make a separate video, whatever. Anyways, thank you, and I'll see you guys later. Cheers.